Most people think of silver as coins or jewelry. But did you know its industrial uses may be the real reason it holds lasting value? When we think of precious metals, gold often steals the spotlight. But silver has something unique going for it. It's not just a store of value, it's a workhorse in modern life. The Why Precious Metals Guide explains that silver is unmatched in conducting heat and electricity, making it essential in electronics. It's also a critical material for solar energy and is used in medical devices because of its unique antibacterial properties. This constant industrial demand means silver isn't only valued as an investment metal, it's also needed to power everyday technology. That steady use helps support its long term price potential, even in uncertain markets. I'll link this guide for you to explore directly. This is just one of the 8 PDFs in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle. Alongside it, you'll also find titles like Silver Scheme Report and the Digital Dollar Report, which together help you see the bigger picture of where precious metals fit into long term savings. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free and discover how silver's industrial role supports its lasting value and how that insight can guide your retirement strategy. You can access the full guide bundle directly through the link below.